All right, cut defense, cut plays. Here we have a runner on second base. We have a base hit to left field. Third baseman is the cutoff guy in this situation. Pitcher will be backing up home plate in this situation. The shortstop's working his way over to third base. Second baseman covers his base. First baseman covers his base. The outfielder's job to throw a line drive right through the third baseman's head. So he can cut it off. Could be a number of reasons. Right now, he could cut it off as batters starting to head to second. We can make a play on that guy if we don't have a chance to get the runner going home. The catcher is in charge here. He determines whether we let the ball go through or if we call for the cut. Could also potentially the runner might stop if he doesn't think he can make it and want to head back to third, and the third baseman can cut it there. So right fielder will be backing up any potential throw to first base. Center fielder backs up a throw to second. Left fielder, after making a throw, could be backing up a throw if it comes back to third base. So everyone has a job in this situation.